what's going on, my fine people? Today we're going to check out some retail heritage. I've already opened a couple of hobby boxes. Can't think of what I'm trying to say. And I started thinking I didn't open any retail yet. So I got online and ordered from Wally World the Walmart exclusive because it kind of sucked me in with this 1970 Topps cloth stickers. I don't know if that's a guaranteed thing or what, but I'd like to have one. And then I thought, well, I gotta get a hanger box too. This says look for limited and exclusive 1970 Topps player story booklets. And that's really kind of all that this is promising. 35 cards. Look for real one autographs and relics. That would be nice. This is 7 packs. This is actually really heavy. You get a lot of cards, so let's start off with the hanger box and see what we get in here with this. See what's going on here. Oh, of course they're all at the bottom. So let's do this. Pull them out this way. There we go. Little anti-theft sticker. Nice little brick of cards. Trying to see if we got anything. There's something there in the middle maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Again, this stuff is kind of more about the short prints and such than the hits. Although we all love a good hit. Alright. Lorenzen. Leak. Could do. I started thinking I'm not going to be able to spot the short prints right off, but there is a baseball flashbacks insert and a chrome Paul DeJong. That's nice. Let me set those aside. But we can do a quick check for any high number SPs because those are not hard to pick out. Just one rookie card in here, so let me set that aside and we'll do a quick check through the numbers, see if there's anything. I don't remember where it starts. There's 314. I think it starts maybe it's 400 and above maybe. So let's see if we get anything really high numbered in here. There's a 383. I think this is closest we're gonna get. 330. Yeah. I don't know. I'll check the numbers later. The little numbers on the back to see. Alright, that is that. So let's get into this blaster. I need to get some retail Donruss. I really enjoyed opening the Donruss boxes. So there's one seller on eBay that I like to go to all the time. You give them my business. I think I'll go ahead and place an order with them instead of like Walmart or Target and get some Donruss retail from them. And then we'll check that out together. Unless you've already seen it, but don't look. Wait for me. Just wait. I'll get it. I promise. Hang on. Wait for it. Corey Seager. Oh, wow. These are cool. Oh my gosh. Hang on. You gotta see this. Ah, you gotta feel it. That is... Oh, wow. That is cool. I need more of this in my life. That is so interesting. Hopefully you can see the texture. It's silky like. Wow, that is very, very, very innovative. That is super cool. I really, really dig that. If you can't tell by the tone of my voice, I really like it a lot. That is really cool. Wow. I haven't thought of putting together an insert set in a while, but that's something that really needs consideration. That is super, super, super cool. Let's see if there's any. Wow, that is something else. I did not expect to be that blown away by the cloth stickers. Fordo, Hicks, Contreras, Josh Bell. Oh, 417. Hang on. I think we have a short print. And it is the Hicks card. Yep. Last number is 212. So we do have a short print in this blaster. So far so good on this blaster box. There is a Scherzer New Age Performers insert. Do a quick numbers check. All stickers. Who knew? Had to see how big that set is. Oh, actually, I think it said 1 of something. 2 of 15. Okay, so it's not a super big set. So that's doable. Benintendi's Benediction. Oh, might have another. I think the Altuve is a... Yep, it is. Another short print. Sorry, I just hit the table and sent the camera moving. I really need to do this on a more sturdy table. I know half you guys probably watch these videos and think that you're drunk because the camera's moving around. I'm sorry. There's a Trout Sporting News. Alright. 3 more packs. One thing I don't like about these, I don't know if you can see, the bottoms are a little bit rough cut. I don't know if I'm getting it in the light or getting it at a good angle. But some of these are pretty rough along the bottom. That I'm not a fan of. Then and now, Killebrew and Chris Davis. Okay. Other than that, pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty rough. Some of these are pretty brutal. Oh, got another one. Hang on. And it is Molina. Another short print. Nice. So if you haven't opened any blasters, then your odds of getting short prints in the blaster seem to be pretty good. So take that into consideration. Another New Age Performers, Walker Buehler. Kopech. Ah, my Walker fell down. Alright, last one. Let's check for... wait, what is it? Oh, okay. Alright, that's it. Wow, that was actually more fun than I expected it to be. Yeah, I'm gonna have to stare at this cloth sticker for a while. That is something else. Look at that. Wow. I love Chris Bryant too. Cool. Alright, well, thanks for watching this. I might have to get some more of this. I don't know. That cloth sticker kind of threw me for a loop. See what they're selling for online. See if I might put that set together. Like I said, I'll try to get some Donruss retail for you guys. What else just came out? Oh, Select. There won't be Select retail. But there's some more stuff coming up next week, which I've already pre-ordered. I got lots of stuff coming. I've got, matter of fact, I gotta clear this table off. I'm crowding myself in. I've got cards everywhere. My space is just getting smaller and smaller. I'm quit babbling. Sorry. Everybody, take care. I'll be back with the next break soon.